Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.2 with Cydia without a computer. This is 100% untethered, guys. It is working flawlessly. I've tested it on many devices and many iOS versions. It is awesome, guys. Let me pop this Cydia suite open and show you guys it is fully functional with all the features. Like I said, it is working flawlessly, guys. No errors whatsoever. This is honestly amazing, guys. As you can see, it's got all the features. It is fully functional, and yeah, guys, I've already got plenty of new tweaks and free paid apps using this method already. Like I said, there's no glitches, nothing like that. This is the real deal, guys, and it literally takes 2 minutes to install, guys. The installation is so easy and so simple. Anybody can do it. No computer is required. It's untethered. I mean, honestly, guys, there's really not much more you can ask for in an iOS 14.4.2 jailbreak. This is really the bee's knees, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. Follow along with me, and guys, throughout the video, make sure your sound is up and you can hear me clearly, because the installation steps, you don't want to miss anything. You guys want to hear each individual step, okay? You guys do not want to miss a step, or else you're just have to go back and watch the video again, okay, guys? And I don't want to waste your time. So follow along from here, guys. Do not miss a step, okay? Listen very closely. So the first thing you guys want to do is, let's close this app, and you want to open up Safari. Make sure you use Safari. It only works in Safari, and go to this website right here, okay? There is a website right there, guys, okay? Make sure you get that typed into your browser. Okay, so basically what we're doing here is we're downloading the Cydia installer profile, alright, and it's very, very easy to do. So just click the go button. This is probably the simplest step of this tutorial. Okay, click the go button. Okay, now, as you guys can see, this is what it says. Now click the allow button, click close. Now you're going to go to your settings, okay, and it's going to say profile downloaded right here, okay? So basically I'm updating my Cydia installer profile, basically my iOS 14.4.2 jailbreak. And now I just update it, so I'm going to reopen that, guys, and now basically I'll show you how to complete the installation. Now right now it's in sandbox mode. It's basically in shell mode. None of these features are actually working yet, but to complete the installation of this Cydia iOS 14.4.2 jailbreak, you simply have to click on any of these features here to get to the installation wizard, okay? So click on this one right here. It basically says installation required, so you click on the start installation button, and it will take you to the installation wizard. Once you get to the installation wizard, it simply is going to ask you to install 2 apps and complete their exact instructions. Now, once you do that and you complete the instructions properly, within 30 minutes, this app will reload to the original screen I showed you with all the features working, and basically your device will be jailbroken. Guys, if it doesn't work within 30 minutes and you did the installation wrong, you need to go back, install more apps, complete their exact instructions, and then it will be working flawlessly, I promise you, okay? So guys, I recommend just installing all of the apps on the installation wizard and just completing their exact instructions. To be very patient with it, guys. This is really the only working way on how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1 without a computer using Cydia that's out there right now. If you want Cydia, guys, this is the real deal, okay? So like I said, guys, be very patient with the installation steps. Follow each individual app's instructions and make sure to install all of the apps. Just honestly, guys, just get it over with. Install all of the apps, and it'll be guaranteed to be working. You won't have to go back and forth and, you know, have to watch this video again and do all that, okay, guys? So just install all of the apps, do exactly what their instructions say, and your device will be jailbroken, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.